Hi everyone, it's great to see you. So I'm here as the Garden Mouse today to talk to you about one of our other endeavors online that I'd like to share with you. So you know that Pickle and Pumpkin frequently get into our gardening videos. They are gardening cats at heart. They also are a big part of our lives. Now, as a college professor that trains upcoming elementary education teachers, a big part of my life is teaching teachers how to teach reading. And we've decided to launch a series of books using Pickle and Pumpkin here as the stars. So the Pickle and Pumpkin book series is just being launched, and it's for the newest readers that are just learning to read, just figuring out how to sound out words. We have the first book, A Cat, a Hat, and a Mat. A Cat, a Mat, and a Hat. And our second book, A Bat and a Rat, is coming out next week. And then we are going to be releasing some of the special holiday series, including a St. Patrick's Day book. So, you know, these books I wanted to tell you about so that you could go to the Pickle and Pumpkin Books YouTube channel and please subscribe to them. We are looking to build their online presence. That would be a huge help to us. And I'll put all this information underneath. Dan has done a great job taking photos of Pickle and Pumpkin. You know how photogenic they like to be. And as a former reading specialist and currently a dyslexia researcher, we have words that they can sound out, your beginning readers. And then I also love to draw little cats. We have little cartoons that have additional practice. So in these books, we also have what we call the fry words. Fry words are those words that are most seen in text. So students are getting practice with those words that they're going to encounter again and again. We wanted to tell you about this in case you have any grandchildren or children in your life that are beginning to read. These would be great engaging texts for them. And while I have you here talking about books, if you are really into why and how we learn to read, this is my first book that I published a couple years ago, Powerful Literacy in the Montessori Classroom. This is a great book for adults that want to help children learn to read. So parents, grandparents, this tells about the real brain processes that go into learning to read. And then my second serious research book is coming out in May, Effective Literacy Assessment, which will go even deeper into how do we know how our kids are doing with reading. So there's a lot going on here that we've been focusing on in the winter season, and you'll see a Garden Mouse video updating my seeds shortly. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe to this channel and to Pickle and Pumpkin Books. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.